to join I-64 West. Here is the slip road entry on the outside. Going around the outside, looking at the inside line. Now moving over to the inside, which now becomes outside because of the turn. Now back into the inside, which will become the outside. Turning. Looking through the turn. Here we go. We're going to move from the outside back to the inside. Always looking through the turn. Now I can see the I-64. I'm going to check over my shoulder, looking in my mirrors, checking my mirrors, finding the right speed to merging onto the highway, looking straight ahead and accelerating to keep up with the traffic. So that's how it's done. I'm on my way to Indian of southeastern Virginia to check out the new Indian Challenger. They have two that can be seen and can be ridden on the demo days this weekend. So this should be interesting this weekend.